To make your next bike tour as smooth as possible, we've put together a quick walkthrough on how to use OSMand, our preferred navigation app. Start by downloading OSMand from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Open the app for the first time. You'll be prompted to download maps for your current location. Go ahead and tap Skip Download. If you see any pop-ups asking for location access, select Always Allow while using the app. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the bottom left corner. It looks like a square with 3 lines. Then select Maps and Resources. From here, download the maps for the regions included in your tour so you can navigate offline. For example, in this video, we're using Ireland, so we'll download the Ireland map. You'll find the exact map requirements for your tour in the video description. Depending on your route, you may need up to 3 regions. Next, we'll install the recommended settings for your tour. Open your CyclePack email and tap the file called roostersettings.osf. When prompted, open it in OSMand. Make sure the settings option is selected, then tap Continue. On the next screen, select Replace All, then tap Finish. Your app settings are now in place. Now, let's import your tour routes. Go back to your CyclePack email and open the first GPX file. Tap the Share icon, the square with the arrow, then select OSMand. That track will now appear in your library. Repeat this step for all GPX files in your CyclePack. Once that's done, everything is ready before your tour begins. When you're on tour, tap the Navigate icon at the bottom of the home screen. Select the track for your current riding day and press Start. Follow the route. It's that simple. As you ride, you'll see alerts for points of interest and planned stops, like cafes or lunch locations. For example, here's a sample stop we've added. If you want to stop navigation, tap the navigation icon and select Cancel. To resume, either press Navigate and choose your track again, or tap directly on the red route line and select Navigate. Repeat this process for each day of your tour. If you have any issues with navigation, feel free to contact our team by email before your tour or via our WhatsApp support channel while you're on the trails. We wish you a smooth, enjoyable journey and a memorable riding experience.